Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing vlogs of our next trip and showing you what we're bringing. It's gonna be a 3-hour trip, and it's gonna be at Wisconsin Dells, and it's gonna be again 3 hours, 3.5 hours, and I'm just gonna be showing you the makeup today or right now, and say hi.
Hi.
All right. Our baby is actually sleeping. I didn't want him to wake up the baby. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead right into it, and I will just share what I'm bringing for makeup. And I know this might seem a lot just for like a day, because we're just gonna be there for a night, but 3 hours. Sometimes I like to pack a variety of makeup, but I will definitely show you. Okay, so this will be the bag that I will bring all my makeup in, and it's from Philosophy. I got this free from Winter. I don't know if you guys have seen that video that I got or that I made or did. And actually I didn't. I don't really remember. But anyways, yeah, I got this in December, or my boyfriend did, and bought something for my daughter for Philosophy, and he actually got the bag as a free gift. And then so these are the items that I will be bringing, and I will. This is a Pantene Pro V Daily Moisturizer Renewal Shampoo. And then this is the Philosophy, the sample that came with it. I never used it ever since we got that. So a sample, Pure Grace Nude Rose. I love Philosophy. They're my number one. And then this is for the eyelash glue. I don't know if it still works, but it's right there. And then this is the body lotion, Pure Grace. And it's like in travel size. And then the next one is this Purity Philosophy. I think it's a face. Yeah, it's a face wash. 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. 30 milligrams, 1 ounce. Same as the other one. And then I love this. I got this at Marshall's for $5.99. Argan and E facial oil. I've seen a big dramatic difference. And my baby is actually coughing. He doesn't feel too well. So Argan plus vitamin E. You guys have probably seen this. I know I use a lot of this, but I actually spill some too. But this is really, really good. And they do have a lot of these at Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and just Marshalls and TJ Maxx. And then the next one is this is my eyeliner. And it's wearing out. I got this from like the flea market, the Asian flea market. I love it. I'm running out of it. And then this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow. It's so dirty, as you can see. I need to throw this away, but I just want the spoolie for now. And then this is like my eyebrow from e.l.f. Or I could use it as eyeliner. And then I know I lost the cap for that, so that's e.l.f. too as well. And then this is a lip liner, and I don't know why I keep losing these, like the cap. And then this is the contour palette. I love e.l.f. e.l.f. is really, really affordable, and it's really, really nice. And as you can see, I use these two for like my bronzers. The other two I hardly touch, and I need to clean that. And then I'm bringing this. It's so old. This is from like, oh my gosh, as you can see, it's coming out. I have the nicer ones, but I actually don't want to bring them. They're so big, so I'm just gonna actually bring this. And then a sharpener. I think I got this from Sephora. And then this is a mascara. So I maybe bring baby. I might be bringing let's see, Minx lashes. So I'm debating on this one, but I would bring this for my bottom lashes. Sometimes the girl needs to look pretty too on her pictures for vacation. So this is the e.l.f. eye primer and liner sealer. So I use this as a concealer. And I don't know what the other one does. I'm pretty sure someone knows. If someone knows, let me know in the comments down below. Let me try to open it. I don't know if I can with one hand. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know what that does. Oops. Oh no. I just did a boo-boo. And then, okay, so hopefully that's gonna be okay. And then I got this Star Glue from like the flea market too, eyelash adhesive. I love this. Instead of white, it's dark, which is nice. And then I do have a word right there, as you can see, for many, many years. And then I also have this one, Moisturizer Purity Philosophy. Bringing that one. I love that. I've been using it, but I should throw the package away soon. My two favorite to-go lipsticks is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Eclair BLG02. Looks like a mauve color. And then I got this, my boyfriend got me this for Christmas. That's the shade Matte. I'll put down everything down below. But that's how it looks like. I put it inside my pocket and I washed it, and now it looks like that. And then I'm bringing this concealer from LA Colors for my eyebrows and just conceal certain spots. I'm running all of this. And then my foundation is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I think this makes me a little dark, but I'm just gonna try to finish it all. Yeah, I got the light medium, that's why. It makes me dark, because I'm a lighter skin. And I got this Wet n Wild makeup stick from maybe the Dollar Tree Conceal Correction. And then I'm bringing these tweezers in case I feel like just plucking my eyebrows. And then these are the brushes. This is for like blush, for, you know, bronzer, highlighter. And then this is for like blush too. And there's an angle. I got this from Younique, if you guys have heard of Younique. And then these two, I don't know. Oh yeah, this is from like Mary Kay. And then this one, e.l.f. And then this one, of course, I got it Younique too as well. The name is, I love this one. I need to start cleaning my brushes. But there, I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. Yeah. Okay, so, well, these are all the makeup and the tools that I will be bringing. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll probably come back again for another vlog, and I'll let you go. Waking up on your sofa.